Today we are dealing with this E-Class, the air tank leak on the rear air suspension system, okay? The whole reason is leak is the tube. The end of this air tank tube, corroded, aluminum corroded. I already cleaned it, all right? You can see this. So when the hose was original clamp on it, the air start leaking from this corroded area coming out. You see that? So, need a new tank. And the dealer will not sell it, all right? They do not sell it individually, part and the hose. There's a one website. You can buy it, it's in Germany, all right? But it takes time, and it costs like a 50-some euro to ship it. So overall, gonna cost you about, I believe it's $300-some. So I end up finding from the junkyard, all right, for under 60 bucks. The hose is good, but because I have to remove this, it's very difficult to remove it with the hose, okay? So I cut it, take it out to try to find out why it's leaking. Look, it come out from the corroded area. Sip slowly, that's why it's sagged. Over a day or two, and eventually will kill your air compressor because your air compressor is keep pumping it. So this was the problem, okay? And finally I find out it was this. It's rarely happen, but for older car, yes, it does. This car is about 18 years old, but it still runs beautifully. So they want to fix it, we fix it. So I put in the tank. This is the tank, all right? 2-3 screw. I drop this exhaust down a little bit, so once you cut the hose, you'll be able to remove this tank through this real CV axle and this cable here, all right, the brake cable. If without cutting the hose, it's kind of difficult. It's doable, but difficult. But you gotta remember, that's the catch right here. You see that 13-minute bolt? It will not even drop out when you lose it because there's no room to come out. So we'll leave it on, just remove the bracket, air tank bracket out. Now install will be the same way, all right? That's a 3, there's another one right here. This is the first one, and those 2. Those are 2, unless you drop the whole frame, otherwise it will never come out. But it's beautiful, it stay there, then you just put it back on, tighten it. It worked beautifully, okay? Once finished this, and this, the tank hose, the clamp, everything was pretty good condition. At least it was good for 5-10 years. This car would be real old, okay? So this is the clamp. I pressure tested it, no leak. That's why I put it on. Now we can see, you see the air suspension on top there? All right, the hose is right, the top one is right there. So once I tighten the bottom air tank, and then I will tighten that one to finish this job. And to use the stock computer to pump the air into it every like 40 seconds, then you take a break. Otherwise it might damage your pneumatic compressor, all right, at front at left corner. So this is the air leak we find out. It took me a while, go one by one. I thought it was the hose, I thought it was the air control, that kind of module. Air control module was leaking because the inside also just like the tank tube, corroded. So a very minor leak on that one, and replace a air valve, that kind of distributor valve, okay? At the same time, Then we still find the leak. Finally, I find this leak is coming out of this corroded tube here. Unbelievable. Okay, that's how it is to find a problem from this kind of Mercedes-Benz E-Class air suspension. Apply to all models, all right? You just gotta be patient, go through it from the air compressor line to the air line to the, to the stroud, air stroud, then check every connection area, then the tank was the last one, all right? That's it. Thank you for watching. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. Thanks. Bye-bye.